You are being harvested. Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. Why do you feel drained after watching the news? Why do you get into stupid arguments online about politics or sports? You think you are fighting for the truth. No, you are being harvested. In transurfing, these invisible energy structures are called pendulums. Political parties, corporations, religions, social movements, they act like giant parasites. They don't care about your happiness. They only want one thing, your emotional energy. Hate is food. Here is the scary part. Pendulum doesn't care if you love it or hate it. It just wants you to react. If you are a fan screaming, "I love you," you are feeding it energy. If you are a hater screaming, "I hate you," you are feeding it even more energy. The pendulum loves your hatred. It eats your anger for breakfast. Why do you think the news is always negative? Because fear and anger produce the most energy. You are being provoked on purpose so they can eat. Drop the rope. Imagine a game of tug-of-war. The pendulum is a monster pulling the rope on the other side. It taunts you. "Fight me. Argue with me." You pull back, sweating, screaming, wasting your life force. You can never win this battle because the monster gets stronger the harder you pull. So, how do you defeat a pendulum? You don't fight. You drop the rope. You step aside. You become indifferent. When you stop reacting, the pendulum starts to starve. It loses interest in you and goes to find another victim. Rent-free in your head. Is there someone or something living rent-free in your head right now? Your boss? An ex-lover? Politician? Evict them immediately. Every time you think about them emotionally, you are wiring them a direct deposit of your energy. Stop paying them. Indifference is the ultimate weapon. Protect your energy. It is your currency. Don't feed the monsters. In the next video, we will discuss why trying too hard actually pushes success away. Excess potential and equilibrium. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.